Good morning, everyone. I have a new project. I bought this lamp. In fact, I bought two of them. It's a little lamp. It's not very big. And I am going to dress the shade up with some ribbon. And I'm going to decorate it with some flowers. Now, I've never done this before. I've been on Pinterest and I have seen these lampshades that are absolutely gorgeous, and they have real flowers on them, or not real, but faux flowers on them, and they're not built into the shade. They stick out. So I'm going to give it a try. So let's get started. I've taken the bulb out, taken the lampshade off. See, it's little. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to first measure around the top of my lampshade to see where I need to cut my ribbon. There. Overlapping just a little bit. Then with my trusty glue gun, just put a little dabble, do ya? Right here. Make sure my shiny side is out. Let that kind of grab. I think I need any glue around any other place than just the seam. I'm not going to put any anyway. I think it'll be okay. So there I am, matching up a little bit. Oh, those scissors are not very good. Let's do this. Okay. Better. I'm stuck to it. Better. Okay. So here I go. Round. And then I can put a little glue right here. Come on, glue, come out. There you are. Just need a little dab. A little dab will do ya. Pull it tight. There. There's the top. I don't know. Do I want to do the bottom? Sure, why not? We'll do the bottom as well. So, here I go, measuring again. So there I have my cute little lampshade starting to be decorated, going to be decorated, and there's my seams on the back. They're not going to be seen. So then what I'm going to do is I have been wondering whether to do a pretty flower like this, a white one, or two little, whatever these flowers are, with some leaves. Not these giant leaves. Let go. I don't know. They're just put a couple of leaves over here and see what that looks like. I have been after this for a very long time. That's kind of cute. The leaves are too big. These are too big too. But anyway, I'm gonna go find some, I think I like these. So I'm gonna go find some shorter leaves. Okay, I found some shorter leaves. I bought this bundle, this little bunch of leaves from Amazon, and I love them. They look so good. I think I have like 6 or 7 of these. So I'm going to steal some of the leaves from this because I think they'll look really pretty. They're more in size to this. So first of all, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to make these a little bit shorter, flatter. So I've pulled them off of the stem. Now I'm going to cut this off just a little bit more here. I'm just going to cut this off. It goes flying. So that it will lay on this a little bit better. Plus I'll be gluing down some of the petals. So here I go. Just put a little hot glue on just some little points. Put some hot glue on just a couple of little points. Oh, all these strings. Okay, let's try it again. I was thinking of maybe poking a hole in the shade and just poking, poking the whole little thing in there. And then I thought, no, I don't really want to do that. These gonna grab on pretty good, huh? Yeah. So far, so good. How's it looking so far? Pretty good, huh? And then I'll put a little leaf over here, down here, and maybe some little other leaves. Okay, we're going to let that dry for just a second. Okay, these are pretty dry. They're pretty well stuck on. Now I'm going to kind of position the leaves. I think I'll put one tucked right in here. Maybe not quite so tucked in. Let's do that. Put some hot glue on this little puppy. Just do it like that. Hold hold it there for just a second so you can see it. Get it nice and tucked in there. And then, see, I just take this bundle. I'm just gonna pull a leaf off. Okay, it is looking good so far, I think. Now what do I do with you, sweet thing? Little sweet thing? I could leave it like that. Why is this ribbon not behaving? Oh, that's fine, okay. I could leave it like that. That's not bad. You know, I think I'm going to leave it just like that. So I'm going to bring my little lamp over here, get my light bulb, put this on. Oh, I guess I have to plug it in. It is plugged in. There it is. That's cute! Oh my goodness! It's cuter than I thought it was gonna be. And and there it is. And that's all I'm gonna do to it. Okay, I've got another one to do because like I said, I have 2 of these. And there you go. Decorating your lampshade with some ribbon and some faux flowers. Simple project, easy peasy. And here's my finished product. Pretty little shades, little white shades. Put some faux flowers on them with some hot glue. Put some leaves in them, and then put some ribbon. And look at this. I had this much ribbon left over on my spool. That was just right. But there you go. How pretty are those? This is for my spring decorations. You'll see them when I decorate for spring. Ta for now.